Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Go E1U Live. And this is going to be a Go E1U Live and the affiliate marketing traffic AD tutorial. So what I'll do is I will show you how to set up your E1U Live account. And then I will show you how to promote your E1U Live account so you can get the big commissions paid in Bitcoin. Now for those of you who are brand new and you haven't joined Go E1U Live, I also have this tutorial videos, so I will put all the links in the description so you can watch my other tutorial videos with Go E1U Live. So I have all this video tutorial. It's a series of videos that you can watch so you can learn about Go E1U Live, answer any questions that you may have. Now, basically the way this works, guys, is that you need to become a member of Go E1U Live first. So you can see in my account, before I begin, let me go ahead and show you my personal results. So you can see it here that right now during the recording of this video, the total commissions that they paid me so far, $11,150 which is pretty awesome. So the way this works, you need to join E1U Live. So to join Go E1U Live, you can create a free account. You just go to this website. So I'll put the link in the description or in the pinned comment so you can go to this website. And then you can watch this explainer video explaining how it works. But basically the way this works is that E1U Live is a company that they provide AI tools and software. So AI tools for automation and marketing. So this one right here, these are all the AI tools that they offer. And to access these tools and software, you need to buy the package, which will give you the credits, equivalent credits, and then you can activate the tools and the software that you need. So you can use this for your affiliate marketing business. You can use this for any type of business. And then what you do, you click on start earning now. And then from here, what you want to do is you complete this form, put your correct details here, and then click this box and then click on submit. Once you hit on submit, you are now able to log in into your E1U Live account. So when you first log in, let me go ahead. This is the dashboard when you first log in. Okay, so you can see dashboard. So this is where you will be able to see the total commission earned and the credit balance that you can use, right? So for you to get the credit balance, if you want to use E1U Live for your business, so if you scroll down, these are the different tools and the software and the services. What you do is you need to activate the packages. So as soon as you create an account, like a free account, you will see that they will give you these links that you can use to promote. But before you promote, what you want to do is activate the packages so you can maximize your earnings. So what you do is you go to this My Business and then you click on My Matrix. So what you want to do is position yourself to the highest level. So right now you can see it here. They have these different packages. So what you want to do is activate the $10 package first, and then after that you activate the $25, the $100, the $500, all the way up to the $1,000. So once you activate these packages, you will get the credit balance, and then you will be able to access the tools. And then at the same time, once you activate these packages, which I will explain to you later on the video how it works, is that you are now qualified to make the instant Bitcoin commission. So what you want to do now is you go back to to your dashboard right here. Okay, so go back to your dashboard. And then from here, the link that you want to promote is this funnel reference. So you copy this link and then you paste the link into a new browser, which is this one right here. So for this particular page, the angle that they're using is that people can earn Bitcoin instantly using or with AI. So this is the exact page that you will use in your promotion. So all you need to do as an affiliate is send traffic to this page, and people go to this page, they follow these 4 simple steps, they create their account, and when they upgrade, you also make the commission. So now the most common question that people ask is, how do you promote your link? How do you promote your page? If you have, let's say, no email subscribers, no social media followers, you're a complete beginner, no technical skills, no previous experience. How do you promote your page? The easiest way and the quickest way to promote your page without any technical work is you go to this website. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So this is the traffic agency that I created for all my students and team members who have been asking me if I can help them promote their link. So what I did was I created this traffic agency so you can simply purchase a traffic package and then you can give me your link, and then I will be the one doing the promotion on your behalf because I already have the campaign. So all I have to do is redirect the traffic to your link. So this is how it works. When you go to the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency, the link is in the description or in the pinned comment. There are a couple of packages that you can purchase. So you can purchase, so we have 3 different traffic sources right now. So you can advertise on Meta or Facebook. We can also advertise your link on Google Ads. And we can also advertise on YouTube ads right here. Now, the smallest package that you can buy during the recording of this video is the 100 buyers traffic campaign. And that is a one-time payment of $300. So right now everything is on sale. So instead of paying $500, you're getting it for $300 only. Okay? And then if you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the higher packages. So for the 200 buyers traffic campaign, instead of paying $1,000, you can get it for only $500 one-time payment. The 500 buyers traffic campaign is $2,500, but you can get it for only $1,000 one-time payment. And then for the highest package, which is the 1,000 buyers traffic campaign, this one right here, instead of paying $5,000 compared to what other traffic providers offer, instead of paying $5,000, you can get this for only $2,000, and you can get 1,000 buyers traffic. So it's entirely up to you, depending on your budget. You can start with the 100 buyers traffic, or you can start with the 1,000 buyers traffic. So at this point, you just need to make a decision. So how many buyers traffic campaign do you want to purchase? So let's just say, for example, that you want to purchase the 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So what you want to do here is you click on this package, and then it will open up the product page. So you can get more information about the product. So it's a 1,000 buyers traffic, Google Ads campaign and management. And you can see it here. It says this package includes 1,000 buyers traffic campaign and management to your affiliate link or lead capture page, which is going to be this link right here. So we will be promoting this link. And the traffic will be coming from Google Ads. Your campaign will be shown to people who lives in the top tier countries, US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So for those of you asking, so why are we promoting your link to the people who lives in these countries? The answer is simple. We want to promote your link to the people who have the credit card and people who have the money. And by experience, right? I've been doing this since 2011. By experience, most of the people who will purchase this type of opportunities will be from these countries. So now you have the opportunity to get this traffic from my traffic agency. So all you have to do here is click on Add to Cart or Buy with Shop Pay, complete the payment, and then once you complete the payment, the next step that you want to do is, again, you go back to your E1U Life account. Really simple. You can do this tonight, right? So as soon as you set up your account and then you purchase the traffic package, so all you need to do is copy this link and then message me on my Facebook page. So the link will be in the description or in the pinned comment. So you can message me on my Facebook page and then give me your link. Either way, once you complete the purchase of the traffic package, I will get a notification. So I will email you and I will ask you which link do you want me to promote. And then what will happen is that because I already have the existing campaign, right? So I already have the existing campaign on Google Ads. So what I'm going to do is I will promote your link. So once the campaign is live, basically 1,000 people will go to this link, which is going to be your link or your affiliate link. And of course, people want to earn Bitcoin instantly with AI. They also create their account. And whenever they upgrade, that is how you make the commission. So what kind of commissions can you potentially expect So when you go to this page right here, and when you go to your E1U Life account, you go to your matrix right here. Once you activate your matrix, your packages, this one right here, you will see that they will assign a matrix to you. So let's say, for example, this 1,000 matrix. If I click on view matrix, when you activate your $1,000 package, you will see it here that they will activate this matrix, and this will be your matrix. And this is where you will be able to see the people who are joining after you have joined. And you can see the blue or the orange icon. These are your direct referrals. And the indirectly referred icon, these are your indirect referrals. So color blue, indirect referrals, people you don't know. The color orange, people that you have directly sponsored. Okay? And you will see in this particular matrix, most of the members that are going to my matrix, I don't know who these people are. It's just the system putting these random members in my matrix. And when the matrix and system, let's say, put the members in your pay line, which is the bottom level, each of these member paying $1,000 each. That $1,000 goes to your Bitcoin wallet address. So you can see it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 members indirectly referred. I got paid $4,000, and I don't even have to speak to these people. And then I have this member who joined, and I got paid $1,000 as well. So what kind of commissions can you potentially expect? So this one right here. For the $25 matrix, you get paid $175 per cycle. For the $100 matrix, you get paid $700 per cycle. For the $500 matrix, you get paid $3,500 per cycle. And the $1,000 matrix, you get paid $7,000 per cycle. So when I talk about cycle, what it means is that when this bottom level is filled up, so you get 7 members joining, so that's $7,000 worth of Bitcoin commissions. When the 8th member joined and paid his membership, okay, he activated the package, that $1,000 will go to the system, and then what will happen is it will reactivate the matrix. So now you have a brand new matrix, and then you have another opportunity to make that $7,000 again. So that's exactly how it works. So I also have another video here that explains how the compensation works. This one right here, compensation plan, and how you can withdraw your earnings as well. So I have all these training videos, so you can watch all these training videos. So that's exactly how you can promote Go E1U Life, and using the traffic source called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So if you want to get this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to get into E1U Life, again, all the links are in the description of the video, so you can sign up. So go to this website and follow the steps that I showed you, and then make sure that you activate your packages. Okay, make sure that you activate all your packages up to the $1,000 to make sure that you make the most commissions from this platform. And then once you activate your packages, go to this website and then order the traffic package. So start with the Google Ads, and then you can start with the 100 buyers traffic campaign, or if you want to be more aggressive, make the most money, then you can start with the higher packages like the $1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So thank you for watching, guys. Look forward to connecting with you on Facebook, and most importantly, I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting all these commissions. So when you go to your transaction history right here, that's where you will see all the commissions coming in, and it will be paid straight to your Bitcoin wallet address. So thank you for watching, guys. All the links are in the description of the video, and I look forward to helping you get these Bitcoin commissions, and I look forward to seeing your success results and your testimonials. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.